Welcome to another video from Dependable Concrete. Today we are in Frankford, Philadelphia to showcase another basement wall project that we have completed. This project was a low-budget job for a client flipping a house and seeking to enhance its appeal for resale. Our team applied a single coat of cement to the walls, giving them a broom finish for a much improved appearance. Let's get started. As you can clearly see, these walls have exposed stone with deep pocketed holes, allowing rodents to freely enter this home. The most important step of this job is to prep the walls. Ignoring this step will cause our work to prematurely fail. And after prepping the walls, we apply glue at full strength before applying the first coat of cement. Okay, it's time to mix some cement. We use 1 bag of masonry cement to 4 buckets of sand. At Dependable Concrete, we understand the importance of a strong and durable mortar mix for cementing basement walls. That's why we integrate fiber mesh into our mix for added strength in preventing cracking. Our skilled worker is spraying cement on the freshly rolled glue. This method has proven to us and our clients that it's the best method in creating a long-lasting, durable bond between the cement and the basement walls. It's crucial that we fill any gaps between joists to prevent mice from entering the basement from the next door neighbor. We also cement behind tight spots. Despite being a low-budget project, we are committed to delivering high-quality work. In line with the client's demands, who is a house flipper, we have adjusted our expenses to meet his budget constraints while ensuring that the standard of our work remains uncompromised. To achieve this, we will be applying 1 coat of cement to the walls, followed by a broom finish. Although we have reduced the time spent on application, the use of a broom finish instead of a sponge finish will still provide a visually appealing finish to the walls. Our aim is to ensure that the client is satisfied with the outcome of the project while still maintaining our standards of excellence. After the cement has sufficient time to cure for a week, our client intends to give the walls a fresh coat of white paint, brightening up this dark basement. This basement, once dusty and dreary, has undergone an intensive transformation. Its improved curb appeal has enhanced the prospects of flipping this old house, making the task easier for my client. As you can observe, a single coat application on this uneven wall will not result in a perfectly flat surface, as demonstrated in my previous videos. However, it is adequate in sealing the walls and preventing flaking and peeling. The new owners of this house can now use the basement with confidence, as they no longer have to worry about rodents, mold, or pesky insects. This space can now comfortably be utilized for washing clothes or storing personal items. Please like, share, and subscribe by clicking the yellow mixer icon and tap that bell icon to be notified for our next project. Thank you.